Hello, hello. Welcome back to She's a Busy Girl. I'm Stephanie, and you guys are not going to believe this, but I am planning ahead. I am. So, I told you guys that Thursday night on the Patty and Michelle show that Michelle was going to be doing the selling part of things. And the scuttlebutt is that this show is absolutely not to be missed. So, I'm not going to miss it. But I do want us to finish up the hybrid project. So I'm shooting this video in advance. So while you're watching this, I will actually be in Hangouts with Patty and Michelle. So, and I'm going to put the link below just in case you want to join, because I'm telling you guys, it's wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. You will love it. Okay, so let's just kind of go back through and take a look here. I've got my usual mess going, but we have finished the inside cover with our two little pockets. We finished up in the last video the cover to our Flow Journal type Traveler's Notebook insert. And we finished our little envelope pockets and their little inserts, and we put in the belly band to attach our notebook portion. So today, right now in this video, we are going to work on the outside of the cover. And so let me just show you what I'm kind of thinking. So I've got this lovely grunge. Oh, you can see I took ink to this whole thing and really grunged it up good on the edges everywhere. So, and then I've got this kind of piece of grungy pink lace that I thought we would lay over the cover like that. And then I put together this beautiful little thing. This is from my Porch Prints. I backed it with some coffee dyed paper, sewed around it, and then took a piece of this trim and put that on it. And I thought we'd put that right there. And then I went through my old button stash and I found this guy. And I thought, well, that's just freaking cool. So this is a metal button, and it's all kind of corroded on this side, which is why it's looking green. That color is actually coming through correct. And so we'll put that right there to finish the front of the cover. What do you guys think? And then I have some other ideas, but let's get this part done. And I'm not exactly sure. Oh, yes, I am. Okay, so we're just going to take some Fabri-Tac and put glue in these kind of more solid areas of the lace. That's what we're going to do. That's how we're going to affix it. So so I'll just get as much Fabri-Tac in these kind of more solid areas as I can, and then we'll lay it on the cover, and that should hold this sucker in place, right? That's the hope, the dream, the wish. All right. Sorry if this is shaking the camera. I'm trying not to put too much glue on so that I'm not dealing with a glutastrophe. All right, there we go. So, oh, and you know what I didn't do? I didn't account for the elastic portion, did I? Oh, well, too late now. Okay, so just gluing that down. Yeah, and I think it's working. Okay, well, got glue on the elastic. I'm not exactly sure how that's going to turn out, but like I said, it's done now. And we've got that there, okay. And so now I hugged the dog before I came on. I hugged the dog before I came in here to finish this up. So, yeah, and now I've got glue. So just a little tip, glue and German Shepherd hair make a mess. That's my wisdom for today. Oh, for crying out loud. We really have just about run this bottle of Fabri-Tac out. All right. I'm just going to glop this up here because we want it to stay. And I'm going to put just a little bit of glue on the more solid parts of that trim. Goo-goo. All right. And now we're going to get this into place. Ooh, I like it. I like it. That looks good. Just the way it looked when I didn't have it glued down. Okay. And then this guy, and the glue is blurping. The glue is blurping. Okay, and we still need some of this glue. Actually, I don't know if we're going to use this. We might use the best glue ever. Even though I will probably make an ungodly mess with it, we will probably use the best glue ever. All right, to glue the button on, let's leave that for last because I got some other stuff I want to do, and I have a feeling that it's gonna have to stay down. All right, so as far as a closure is concerned, I thought, why not do something like that? So it's pretty easy and simple, and while we're at it, perhaps we should add something right here. So I put this little beauty together, and I thought, it'll just clip right there, and then we'll use that same thing as a closure. And then we need a little bit more decoration down here. So I thought, I'm just gonna glue that right there. And I closed up the glue and it blurped. So let's hope it starts again. This is just one of those little scrappy pieces that I put together when I'm thinking. Doing the scrappy pieces is excellent thinking activity. Excellent thinking activity. Here we go. There's that one. And so there we go. I don't think it's going to fall out because the Traveler's Notebook part is holding it in. And then I thought, these are so darned cute. We should just put one on the back too. Just because, leave no surface undecorated. I mean, less is sometimes more, yes. And this is not a big decoration. But yeah, let's leave no surface undecorated. Let's have a good time with this one. Okay. Put that right there. So that part is done. Now, the other thing we need to do is put our little metal corners on. See, I was premature. Put our little metal corners on because I goofed up on that. So, oh boy, I wonder. Did those just, I guess you just smush them in. Okay. So, but because I am suspicious, the glue is blurping again. Good gracious. Okay. Because I am suspicious of these actually holding on, I'm going to put some glue on the inside of them. Well, hope I don't live to regret it. Okay. So, woo. Am I in frame? Yeah, sort of. Okay. All right, so that is on the corner, and then we just smush it, right? We just smush it down. We play He-Man, Wonder Woman, smush. Okay, so what does that look like? All right, that doesn't look bad. I did get glue all over the dang place. God darn, you guys. This glue and me do not get along. Okay, let's see. One more corner for that one. Oh, Look, that's a lot of glue. Am I just using too much? Is that the problem? Am I thinking I need more than I actually do and that's what's causing the mess? I don't know. I don't know. All right, we're going to smush it down again. Smush. Smush. Did you guys see my Band-Aid? I almost lost my pinky today to a file folder. It was crazy. That's a big, huge cut. Yep. Oh. But I lived. It was touch and go there for a few minutes, but I lived. Okay, there we go. Now we are good to put this part in. Yay. All right. So that is good with our little metal corners that hopefully we don't glue everything together with. All right. And, oh, we got to do the little metal corners on this end. My goodness gracious. See, I thought I was all ready and that I knew exactly what I was doing. And, yeah, not so much. Okay, let's give this a shot. Okay, I may not be capable of using less glue. All right, get that one on and smushed. Smush. Right? If I'm not doing this right, one of you guys needs to tell me. Okay. Last one. Come on. I'm trying to use less glue. All right. There's that. I'm going to put this one on this corner. And okay. All right. That's not too bad. Oh, those were the Tim Holtz corner doohickeys, by the way. Okay. Oh, hey, that looks pretty darn good. I like it. All right, so, is that everything? Do we have everything? All right, so we've got the cover design on the front. We got our little whoop-de-doo on the back. Okay, we've got this piece in, our corners on, that piece in. This is all done. It's kind of messy, but it's all done. So, I think we've just about got it. All right, so now we can take our vintage button and glue it right there. And friends, I think this book is done. Hey. All right, so gonna use the best glue ever because this is all rusty metal. And I am using a lot because I don't know if it fills space or not. So I guess we'll see. All right. Oh, shoot. Maybe this isn't going to work. I don't know. Maybe I just need to get absolutely crazy with the glue and set it down in there. And fingers crossed, hope for the best. Okay. There we go. So, we did it. We finished this thing. It only took, what, 5 whole episodes to finish the book? So, yeah. I'm actually pretty happy with how it turned out. Sorry. With how it turned out. And I have to tell you, there for a little while, I was getting somewhat concerned that I was going to really enjoy the finished product. But I do like it. I really do. So, yeah. We just got to wait for that button to dry. And, yeah. Hey. There you go. All right, guys. Thanks so much for sticking with me through this whole process. We'll have some new projects coming up here in the next day or two. Again, this is pre-filmed, so right now I am in Hangouts over at Patty and Michelle's for the big sale. Link is going to be below this video. Come on over, say hey, join in the fun. It's a wonderful group of people. You're going to have a good time. So I hope I see you there. Otherwise, you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will talk to you again soon. Take care.